Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeLogic. So today we are going to see how we can host our Angular application on the GitHub pages. Before that, if you are new here, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the content, then please like, share with your friends. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now we are in our directory structure. Here we'll open a command prompt and we'll use command ngnew to generate a new Angular application. We'll select a project name, GitHub hosting project. Okay, we'll not add routing here. We'll use CSS. Okay, our project has built successfully. We'll go inside our project directory and we'll open it in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, our project has opened in Visual Studio. So inside your source folder, we have app, and inside which app.component.html file is there. We'll remove everything from here and we'll create a new div tag inside which we'll add one heading. Welcome to CodeLogic. YouTube channel. Okay, we'll add a style inside which we'll add color to green, and for the code logic part we'll put it inside a span tag, and we'll add color to that tag as a brown. Okay, for that we'll create one new terminal and we'll run our project with the command ngserve. So this will build our project and it will run. Okay, our project has built successfully. Now in our browser we'll go on to the port localhost 400, and you can see here how content is there. Okay, we'll now go to our project directory and we'll go inside our angular.json file, and here you can see there is a one output path. Okay, so we'll change it to the docs so that it will create a new folder named docs. Okay, we'll close the file and we'll create a new terminal here, inside which we'll write command ng build hyphen hyphen output path to the docs, and base href will write our project name, that is GitHub hosting project. Okay, this will build our project in a production mode. You can see our project has built, and here on the left hand side inside a doc folder there are lots of files are generated like index.html, main, and likewise. Okay, so now we'll go inside GitHub. If you have not account on GitHub, then create it. We'll log into our GitHub account and the window will look like this. Here we'll create a new repository with the name GitHub hosting, and we'll click on the button create repository. Okay, our repository has created successfully. Okay, these are the some commands so which will we are going to use. So inside our project structure, project directory, we'll open a git bash terminal. So if you have not installed git, then I'll recommend you to install a git. Okay, after that we'll init it here git, and we'll add a command git remote origin and our github repositories URL. Okay, after that we'll check for the git status. So it will show which files have been modified or not yet updated into a github. So I use command git add. It will add all the files to the locally git folder, and we'll check again status. You can see the status color has been changed to red to green. And now we'll add a commit git commit -m, and we'll add message project has been added to GitHub. It's a project. Okay, and we'll go to our GitHub repository. We'll use the last command git push -m origin main. We'll paste it here. Okay, now we can go to our GitHub repository and we'll refresh the page. After that you can see all the project files are here, like docs, src folder. Okay, these are some auto build readme files. Then we'll go inside a setting. Okay, we'll go down to the page. In the last section of page, you can see the GitHub pages option is there. We'll click on that link. We'll redirect to a GitHub pages settings. Here we'll choose our source to the main and repository folder to the docs. Okay, and we'll save it. After that the link will be generated. It will take some time to run. Okay, so refresh it till it gets loaded. Okay, you can see our application has loaded here. This is our localhost and this one is our GitHub URL. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.